Hi, I'm Lily at Circus Brighton, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do thread the needle. Now, thread the needle, you need to be able to be confident doing butterfly. You are ultimately just moving your arms through the butterfly movement. So I'm currently doing butterfly and forwards. If you haven't got the hang of this move yet, check out that tutorial. I'll bung it up there somewhere. And make sure you're nice and comfortable with butterfly. Then once you have got your butterfly down, the thread the needle is pushing through that butterfly. When you're doing butterfly, check which hand is above the other hand. You will find one poi will be going over the other poi. With mine, it's naturally my right one. So when I do thread the needle, I will ultimately always start with my right one because that is the one that is already coming up and out the way. Now what happens is, I'm going to go side on for this one. As you are doing butterfly, you've got that time in between where the poi is coming up, you bring the arm back. Then as the poi is coming back down again, you are pushing that hand forwards just along your arm to create this new illusion. So as the poi comes up, your hand is pushing forwards, and so when it comes down again, it's in front of the other poi and it's not going to get hit. If you don't do this fast enough, it's just going to hit your arm. So basically, as it comes up, your hand is pushing down the arm, and then as the poi comes back down again, it's going to be in front of the arm, and the other arm has come back because then the poi is coming back. As the poi comes down again, this arm is already coming forwards. As this arm comes back, they are just trading places each time. It's just a matter of getting the timing of the poi right. When your arm is coming back, the poi is coming up. As your arm is going forwards, the poi is coming down, and then as soon as your hand is in front, the poi is already clear and out of the way, so it's not going to tangle. Confused? So we're going to do one hand at a time. So you're going to make sure the other hand gets out of the way. So you're wiping that hand as it comes up and down, up and down, up and down. So as the poi is coming down, you've got to make sure that hand with the poi that is coming down is right in front. Down. Tilt my hands down so you're able to see. When you first start doing this, you'll just be moving back as far as maybe your wrists, and then as you get more used to where the poi have got to be and how fast you've got to be, you can actually move your hands a bit further up your arms and give it more of a nice thread the needle like illusion with this one. Now, as with any move, the shorter the poi, the faster it's going to be. So if you could practice with a really big poi, you're going to give yourself more time to get it up and over and round and out the way as you get used to the move. So you can make your poi as long as you possibly can. Whilst you're learning this move, it will really help you. So we're just doing this in forwards. I'm going to do it one-handed. So it's down, back, swish. Do it from the side, through, up, down. As you can see, it's actually doing a circle in front, so I'm not pulling it straight back. You're coming down, it's doing a circle, coming back up, down, circle, back up, circle, back up, circle, back up. Now with the other one. Back up. With both of them together, you can start off with the butterfly and then push one in front. See if I can tilt down for you. So you're going to push, push, push. You get slightly more time to do this in the forwards thread the needle. When you got your backwards thread the needle, it's coming up instead. So it's just a different sort of sensation, and it does feel like you've got slightly less time because it wants to wrap up faster. It feels like anyway you've got exactly the same amount of time, but it does feel like because it's swooping upwards, you've got less time. So in backwards, doing a backwards butterfly, and then it swoops under. So basically with the forwards one, as it came down, it was in front and was doing its circle clear of any arms and poi. With backwards, as it comes up, it's getting ready to do that circle. It's then going to do the circle up and out of the way of anyone of the other arm and the other poi. So swoop back, with both of the poi together, backwards butterfly, gonna swoop, 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 bring it back. As it comes up, it just tucks under that arm and does its circle in front. Let's see if I can do this tilted. And that's it in backwards. Now good luck with this move. It does feel like you get tangled really easily, so just give yourself a chance to get into the flow. As it goes up and under, it gets in front and it clears out the way so it doesn't get tangled. If you're getting tangled up here, you're just not getting out the way enough. If you've got tangled here, then you're not getting the other arm out the way in time. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have any problems with this move, what worked for you, what didn't. I will hopefully be able to help you out. Also let us know if you've got any moves that you really want to learn and I can stick them on the course for you. Otherwise I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.